Hello children, good afternoon. Today in our math class we have learned how to solve statements. How to solve statements. In the last class I have told how to solve a grid puzzle. This is also a puzzle with statements. Now what happens with statement is we have to read the statement twice or thrice to understand it properly. We have to read the statement twice, means 2 times to 3 times to understand the statement properly, the sentence properly. Then we will know what is the question and what the answer is here. It's already given here. We have to look for the possibility. There can be one answer, two answers. Okay? Let's see. What is the first question? A number between 300 and 350. A number between 300 and 350. So check any number between 300 to 350 and it is already given, but you check. What I said, 2 times you are supposed to read the question. A number between 300 to 350. So that is, this is 217, 600, 800, 100, 400, 600, 700. So there are two numbers with 300. Here is one and here is one. 309 and 388. The question is, the number should be in between 300 to 350. So this is 388, more than 350. So this cannot be. So only we have one option. This. So this is 309 is the first answer. 309. Second question. A number smaller than 150. So again we have seen these are 900, 700, 600, 500, 400, 200. What is the question? Number smaller than 150. In 150, more than like 150, how many numbers do we have? In hundreds. Here one is 140 and 176. Okay, two numbers. So, but the question is, it should not be more than 50, more than 150, like smaller than 150. So this is bigger, 176. So which number? 140 is the second answer. Okay. For third question is, I'm sorry, this is third one. Third one. Second question is, a number between 650 and 700. Second question, children. Number, here I am writing the answers. Like this is the question. This is the answer for the first question and this is the answer for the third question. Second question is, a number between 650 and 700. 650 and 700. So now what are we going to look like? 650. So it should be more than 650. 600s, we have to check for 600s. 629, 658, 703. So with the number should be within these three. But the question is, it is more than 650 and less than 700. 629, is it more than 650? No. So it is 650. 58. This is number 2. Number 3 is a number between 550 and 630. A number between 550 and 630. Now we have to look for more than 550. So there are two numbers, 500 and more than 550 is this one, and 629 this one. So there are two numbers more than 550 and below 630. So these two come for that. Okay, these two. A number that has 3 hundreds. That means what, children? We have to look for number 3 in hundreds place. Hundreds, tens, zeros. Number 3 in hundreds place. Underline, where is number 3 in hundreds place? So there are two numbers. Or do we have any other number in 300? No, we have only two numbers, 388 and 309. So these two are answer for 3 hundreds in a number. So this is the fifth one. Fifth one, 309 and 388. Okay. Next is number which has 5 ones. 5 ones means what, children? The number should have number 5 in ones place. It should have number 5 in ones place. Do we have all? Check now. Wherever you find ones place number 5, underline. Ones place 3, ones place 8, ones place 2, ones place 9, ones place 8, ones place 0, 4, 7, 6, here 9. It is here. 5, ones place. This is number 6. Okay. Next is sixth one, that was finished. The next is a number that has 2 tens. A number that has 2 tens. That means what? We have seen hundreds, 300s, 5 ones. Now we should look for number 2 in tens place. Number 2 in tens place. Look for that, children. Is there any number? 8, 1, 0, 5, 6, 1. 2. I got it. 1. And one more is also there. Yes, I got it. So these two are answers again. It is number 7. Here also. You can write in those blanks these two numbers. Okay. Next is a number that has 2 digits same. It is clear, children? Only one number has 2 same digits. It is 88. 388. So which number is that? 8th one. Okay. The next is a number that is less than 10 away from 700. It is little tricky, children. Less than 10 away from 700. We usually think it is 690 because it is less than 10. It is 10 less 700. It is 10 less than 700. But here the question is less than 10 away from 700. Less than 10 means it can be 5 less, 4 less, 2 less, 6 less, 3 less. So 3 less and away from 700. It is 703. This is the last one. Okay? Got it, children? Solved? So please read it twice, thrice. Every statement should be read twice and thrice and look for the possibilities. Okay, children? Thank you.